In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to easily draft a dress pattern with very easy steps. So this dress has no seam on the waistline. If you'd love to watch more videos from me, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So the first thing that I did was draw a horizontal line across where the arrow is pointing, and this is going to be my shoulder line and my starting point. So on this shoulder line, I'm going to mark my neck width measurement, which was taken by placing the measuring tape around my neck, then divide by 4. So my neck width measurement was 3.5 inches. Then next, I'm going to find my neck depth measurement by placing the measuring tape from my shoulder line down, going on 4 inches, so you can determine how deep you want your neckline to be. Then I'm going to connect my neck width to my neck depth by curving. As you can see, I'm just going to connect and make my neckline. Very easy, guys. Then next, I'm going to find my shoulder to shoulder measurement by placing the shoulder from one tip of the shoulder to the other, then divide by 2. Then I'm going to mark my measurement of 8 inches right here. Then I'm going to slant my shoulder by going down by 1 inch from the shoulder line there. So just go down by 1 inch. Then I'm going to connect my 1 inch to my neck width and slant my shoulder. So it's important to slant our shoulders, guys, because our shoulders are kind of slanty. They are not really straight. Then next, I'm going to find my armhole circumference, divide by 2 by placing the measuring tape around my armhole, then divide by 2. So I'm just going to mark the measurement right there. The next, I'm going to connect down with a vertical line. Then I'm going to extend it outwards. The next, I'm going to find the midpoint of my armhole line. I'll just use my measuring tape to help me find the midpoint. Then on the midpoint, I'm going to go inwards by a 1/4 inch. Then I'm going to connect my shoulder tip to the 1/4 inch midpoint and shape and curve my armhole. So if you love this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Then next, I'm going to find my shoulder to bust measurement by placing the measuring tape from my shoulder down to my bust line. Then I'm going to draw a horizontal line across. Then next, I'm going to find my shoulder to waist measurement, placing the measuring tape from the tip of the shoulder down to my waistline. Then I'm going to draw a horizontal line across. Then next, I'm going to find my shoulder down to my hip measurement. So just from my waist, I'm going to place the measuring tape from my waist down to my hip and find that measurement. Then next, I'm going to draw a horizontal line across. Then next, I'm going to find the full length of my dress. So I want my dress to be a short mini dress. If you want a full length dress, you can go all the way down. So I'm just going to mark from my hip to my thigh measurements, because I want this dress to be really short. So place the measuring tape from your hip to the thigh measurement. I want it to reach in the thighs. I'm going to draw a horizontal line across. So this is my full length. If you want it long, you can go all the way down. If you want it to the knees, you can go to the knees, but I want it short. The next, I'll find the circumference of my bust, circumference of my waist, circumference of my hip, divide by 4. I'm going to go on my bust, find the circumference, divide by 4. I'll mark it right there. I'll move to my waist. I'll find the circumference and then divide it by 4. Then mark it right there. I'm going to my hip, find the circumference, then divide it by 4, and I'll mark it over there. Then on my full length of my dress, I'll get whatever measurement was on my thigh. So on my hip, so on my hip I had 10 inches. I'll subtract 2 from 10 inches and I'll mark 8 on my full length. Then next, I'm going to connect and shape my dress. Okay, so this is the front side of my dress. I'm going to show you how to make the back side in my next video. You can check out my next video in the description box, or just check the next video labeled as part 2 of dress bodycon dress pattern. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.